How to delete a conversation in Microsoft Copilot. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're wondering how to delete a conversation in Microsoft Copilot, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Microsoft Copilot application or open it up on a web browser using your mobile devices or your computer or even your tablets and iPads. Now, once you're inside the main homepage of Microsoft Copilot, also make sure that you're signed in. Now go to the top left corner and tap the menu icon. In the expanded menu, you will see all of your conversation history. Scroll through the conversation history and select the conversation you want to delete. Press and hold it. In the pop-up appearing at the bottom, click on Delete. Click on Delete Conversation in the pop-up box to confirm, and the selected conversation will be deleted. Repeat this step for every other conversation you want to be gone. So there you have it. That's how you delete your conversation in Microsoft Copilot. Keeping your chat history organized is a great way to manage your conversations and maintain your privacy. And that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.